Service now warning on a Volkswagen Tiguan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. So to reset that warning, you come over here and you use the navigation on the steering wheel. We're going to be pressing this button here. You'll be pressing this button here until you get to the settings section of it. When you get to the settings section, you'll be using the navigation down. Scroll down until you get to service, press OK, down, press OK again, and then you will reset the service. We go back out, start the vehicle, and as you can see, the service has now been reset. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.